Hi, my name's Charles and I'm one of the maths teachers from the Maxim workshop. I'm just going to now teach you how to do some math. Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate kilowatt hours. Kilowatt hours is a measure of energy, okay? So within the actual units you do find the word kilowatt. Now it's important not to associate this with power, as power is a measurement of just kilowatts or watts. Now energy is basically power times time. So if you look at the units of kilowatt hours, you find that you have your power here, which is just kilowatts, and you have your time measurement here with hours, okay? So a classic case where you might want to calculate your kilowatt hours is when you consider the power rating on your kettle, okay? Now you will have three particular variables noted on your kettle. Now if you just look at the bottom of your kettle, you'll see that you have the watts, which will probably be something like 18 watts, 1800 watts, and you'll have voltage reading equal to, say, something like 220 volts, and then you have a frequency reading equal to, say, something like 40 hertz. Now, when you are calculating kilowatt hours, it's important to also know that these two are irrelevant. They're just numbers that are there just to relate to other factors of your kettle. So that might just be the amount of electricity that might, or the maximum amount of electricity that might flow through the circuit, and that's more so to do with the voltage. So the important thing to realize is your watts, okay? Now, if you were given a particular question where it says that the kettle is always used for 2 hours a day, you might want to say then, what is a kilowatt hour usage per day? And that's simple. The first thing you would need to do is take your power reading, which is 1800 or 1800 watts, and change that into kilowatts, okay? So the first thing we do then is divide this thing by 1000, okay? So the decimal point is here. Again, 1000 looks like that, so 3 zeros. So all you have to do is just make 3 jumps to the left, and that will give us 1.8 kilowatts, okay? Now, the next thing you'd want to do, again, is look at how much usage in terms of hours you have for your kettle. So if the kettle runs 2 hours, all you'll need to do is multiply this time reading by your power reading to give you energy. So energy in kilowatt hours now is basically a multiplication of this by this. So you would have 1.8 times 2 kilowatt hours, and that's basically just 3.6 kWh. And that's how to calculate kilowatt hours.